In today's video, I am going to teach you how to measure angle in AutoCAD. We will cover two practical approaches: creating a permanent, plotted angular dimension for your drawing, and taking a quick, on-the-fly angle check that doesn't add anything to your file. By the end, you'll know exactly which option to use and how to do it cleanly. First, let's place a permanent angular dimension using the dim angular command. This is ideal when you want the angle to appear as an annotation that will plot and stay with your geometry. You can start by typing dim angular and pressing enter. If you prefer menus, open the annotation menu, go to the measure drop-down, and choose angular. Now select your geometry. Click the first line or arc. Then the second line. AutoCAD finds the vertex where they meet. Move your cursor to preview the dimension. As you slide it, you'll see you can display the interior or exterior angle. Choose the location and orientation that reads best. Then click to place it. That dimension is now part of your drawing, following your current dimension style. You can grip edit it, move it, or delete it later, just like any other annotation. For accuracy, consider turning on Object Snap so your picks land precisely on endpoints, centers, or tangents. And zoom in if the geometry is dense. Now, let's do a quick measurement that doesn't leave a dimension behind. Perfect for spot checking. Go to the Home tab, find the Utilities panel, and click Measure. From the drop-down, choose Angle. Click the two lines you want to measure between, or pick 2 points on an arc if you are checking curvature. The angle will appear in the command line, so keep an eye there for the readout. This method is temporary, so nothing is added to the drawing. Great for quick decisions without extra cleanup. If you need to check another angle, just repeat the same clicks. Press Escape when you are done. A couple of pointers to keep things smooth. When placing a permanent dimension, use a clear spot away from overlapping geometry, so the text is readable. If the number looks tiny or large, remember, it's governed by your current dimension style and scale. So adjust those if needed before placing several dimensions. For temporary checks, pick carefully along the exact segments you care about. The order and location of your clicks can influence whether you are reading the smaller interior angle or the larger reflex angle. That's it. Thanks for watching.